Okay, you're live. Okay, I hope this is part 2 of okay. Okay, now excellent connection. Okay, welcome to part 2. I don't know when this live stream is actually starting, because in OBS it's already started, and I see on YouTube it's still kind of loading, and no data. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, let's see. Do we have a live stream? I hope this is part 2 actually. Live chat is on. Part 2 live. It should be there. Live and view live. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. Open widget. Okay, I don't know why. Open widget. Poor stream status. No issues, messages, no. Okay, stream health, stream settings. Okay, I don't know why this is happening here on part 2. Connection is poor. I don't know how to improve that now, but yeah, I don't know. So let me actually go for content, go for live, go for part 3, part 2. Content, edit. Okay. Chat publicly. Okay, good. Put that there. Pin message. So there is the pin message again with. And I think I actually need to go back to the trading platform quickly. So there is a pin message for my Discord server link. If you want to join, please feel free to join that talking and live chat and stuff like that in the Discord. More details in the Discord server, and soon also I will have some websites where you can look for more details here. Right now I'm trying to create free content for you guys so that you can see my trading style, and if that is something you want to learn as well, feel free to watch part 1, because in part 2 I'm kind of managing my existing trades and need to be focused actually, because this market is now going against me a little bit, and I need to think if it makes sense to actually open more cells, or if I actually want to start a hedge. But I don't want to do that too early. Because this one can actually go down for some time, and then I'm just closing some of my sell positions in a profit, and then figuring out to add buys at a better price, rather than open a hedge right there and market goes against me, right? In part one, I actually said I was down like $70 yesterday, and finished the day with a $10 profit, which is like 5 to 6% for the day based on that balance that I have. Right now there is a drawdown obviously, but the trading day has not finished. I just wanted to try to do some live trading in front of an audience and see what you guys think about the trading style, what you see. I know my students, when they watched me for the first time in those group coaching calls, they were like confused. They are still probably confused because we are still working out the training content. And so right now what I'm doing is actually do some kind of live trading on YouTube so that we have some more students eventually in those group calls, so that we can have very in-depth training. Because if you have a lot of questions, you will help me to actually create the training content so that any newbie that joins the coaching program at one point in the future will have a very good foundation to get started. And if you are already a trader, you might have some additional tradings that I'm doing. I mean, honestly, right now, it doesn't look very well on the live trading on YouTube. And what happened is yesterday I had to manage the risk for some hours, and this is not some stuff. So right now I might have 1 or 2 hours more and see how much we can do together. Right now, based on the account history, so far it's just 89 cents profit. And follow me for some days. You might see, the overall picture of my trading account. Because my goal is that if you have just $100, $200, $300, and you are targeting 4% a day, most of the conservative traders are actually targeting 5% for the week. But as a scalper, full-time trader, you actually can make easily 5% on a daily basis. If the market gives you a good momentum and if you are in the right direction. So right now, as I'm selling while the market is going up, is probably not the best way to make money at the moment. However, if I'm starting to hedge and that market is actually going down, I don't want to be impatient too early. So this is why I'm really only going into the market with 001 lot. So that I can improve my price. As you can see, there is some momentum to the downside sometimes, and there might be news actually hitting. I don't know the news actually, I'm not a news trader, but sometimes during the day there is news. You have to be aware of that the market then will have one candle that is going to eat everything up, and if you're in the right direction, you can be out in profits instantly, or you have a bigger drawdown if you're in the wrong direction, but you should not freak out if you're not over leveraged. So right now spread is widening, so I don't know if there is news right now at this moment. So I'm just waiting it out right now. Let's see on the 5-minute. You see that buy price and sell price, that spread is going a little bit crazy at the moment. And if this is going down, I might see some action in a bit. And I'm in the wrong direction right now. You see, this is the news. And let's see what happened. And this is a crazy thing that this happens actually on a live stream here on YouTube. So I need to think quickly what I'm doing, because this is not good. It's almost $100 in the drawdown. This is not good. Let's go for, this is 17 micro lots in the sell direction. And how far can that go now? I actually sell right there one more time. You see that this breakout is crazy, because on the 4 hour I don't really see too much. Let's see. What goes up needs to come down eventually. So I'm starting to position myself for the profit taking, because someone that has bought that much in that one candle needs to take profit, and we see what happened. This will come down, and this is where I take my money. I might not get all the way down, so I'm taking some on there. Okay, it will be a little bit more work today to manage the drawdown. And as I said, it was not very smart for me to do the sell. And I might not even get to this area here. Maybe there's another retest of this area before it drops. And here's the thing, it is not necessary to do a drawdown of $100 when you have just a balance of $220. It's not good. So what I'm playing with is that this one candle, this 1 minute time frame, this breakout, there will be profit taking eventually, and we'll see if I get a 50% retracement or something. And if this goes much higher, I definitely not feel comfortable trading today, to be really honest with you, because I have a lot of plans for the weekend. I still have to make a tax report, and I was just like in a good mood to just go, doing some live trading in front of people. And the first live trading session I'm doing after a month of a break is kind of a very shitty experience. Sorry for my language. I still believe that this will come down, so I give it a moment. So who has a longer breath? I actually go for this area. There's another retest there. You see MACD is not really going down. This might actually open up again to the upside again. Oh, this is crazy. But this is trading. This is everybody is sharing our good stuff. You know, everybody is just making the money. And when you have some shitty momentum, that's where a good trader. Okay, let me see. This was not a good idea today. I was doing really good for the week, but in front of people is a whole different story. You still see there is some battle between buyers and sellers. Question is that now the peak, or is that still going higher? Because people are maybe doing the same thing as me and is selling, and someone is just buying those sells. Question is, how far to the upside can that go? Because I really don't like to give my money away. I really have to hedge now. This was not really good. So I need to wait this out. And I don't want this to be going that early. Question is now, how far can that go up? Just a little bit more there until it drops again. And this is exactly why I might actually close that hedge. But not yet. Opening up a sell for 0.10, have a buy stop above this and a buy limit right there. This is work, not good work. Did I miss a first nice retracement? Okay, one more chance. Okay, so I don't need that buy stop. Okay, so let's see what I'm doing now. Okay, so what I did do was I have a buy 0.20 right there, I have a sell 0.10 right there, I have a buy 0.10 there. So what I will do is I will close that sell with that buy and accept a loss. And that loss is how much? $3.10. Okay, so right now I'm doing 3 micro lots. Right there. So my goal is now to take that loss $3.10 plus that commission out first, so that I improve my my overall position. And that is something I will do in group coaching calls more with my students, because this is too complicated just for a video here on YouTube, because this is like management kind of stuff now. I'm kind of angry with myself, to be really honest. So right now I'm really focused on getting my targets more quickly. This is, as a scalper, I'm really not interested in keeping my position open that long. So right now I'm really looking at a chance for my hedge to close, and that this goes all the way down again. This is timing is very crucial right now. My timing was way off because the equity is way down again, even worse than before. But my confidence is still good because I know I can do it. Okay, I cannot do it in front of an audience yet, even though I don't see you, but this is like I show something and I know someone's watching me. And if someone watches me, it's like in my head, you know, it's like this is normal. If you do something for the first, or let's say not very often, you don't feel that comfortable yet. And the more we are doing this together, especially that's what I plan with my students, is to have live trading sessions, talking about more, be more relaxed, you know, don't have to figure stuff out, how to show it on YouTube, you know, make it look nice or stuff like that. This is something, um, it happened, and I need to accept it, and not try to do revenge trading right now and say, oh, I have to double down on everything. Now it's patience again. So now I have triggered my stuff there. This is my sell. So I close my sell against those buys. 71. And the last one. Like this. So let's go for account history. Okay, profit loss is $1.49. And I actually don't believe that this goes too much up now, because this has been moving up, and this is probably doing some retracement shortly. So what I do now is I actually start to open up 3 of those, well, let's say 4, and do a buy limit right there. So as a scalper and also as a trader, I always want to improve price. Either dollar cost averaging is what you can call this. My problem is that at this moment I was way too many positions to the sell side while price was really going crazy to the upside. This might be the highest point based on the 4 hour, and not 4 hour, for the daily. because this is a zone there that might be, you know, just trigger this, and then it is doing a kind of retracement. Okay, so this is, as a scalper, you take advantage of those little change of direction, even though I can see on the indicators that this might be some kind of divergence again. And we're talking about everything in the training. So if you are watching this here on YouTube, join the Discord server for free for connecting with me, and then we can talk about how you can join the training if you want to learn more how I'm doing this, because this is actually what I will do in November now more often. Those live trading sessions, show my trading stuff, and the training itself at the moment is $97 for the year, and we are training content for the membership side with some students I'm working with already since May, but due to some personal challenges, the training content is still in progress. And yeah, if you want to be part of this to actually help me with, you know, creating the content, asking questions and stuff, uh, please join the Discord, and let's connect. Okay, now I have improved some. So this is the buy 004 I had before. Let's go back to 001 here. You see that is buy 004. I have some cells right there. So what I will do next is actually not taking the buy 004 off, but actually remove that from the buy 0010. So what I will do is I will just take that cell right there, close it with the buy at, what is that, 70.70. And the account history will show this is a profit of 17 cents. I have 3 more of those. So right there is another 13 cents. Close by. This is plus minus. And this might be 2 cents negative because of the commission. But I still have you see, now this is the turning point. I'm still angry with myself, to be really honest with you. I had so much work in this to show you guys, how easy it can be, and then, just setting things up here with OBS, trading in the wrong direction, and be so confident, and then you have that breakout stuff, this is a learning experience for me as well. I'm doing this stuff for many years now, but having a responsibility for my students, you know, this is a lot of stress. Because in the end of the day, when you are relaxed and you know what you're looking for, and you're not distracted with things, it can be really easy. Um, but as a total beginner, you also will feel the same way, being overwhelmed at first. But that's where that mentorship is really important. Where you have a mentor that can answer your questions. You can watch training stuff. I will have videos, like 5-minute videos, that are going through the strategy that I'm doing, so that what you see right now here on YouTube will make sense when you are when you're watching this in the membership side. So again, there is a Discord link that you can click to join the Discord server for free. The training will be $97 for founding members. There will be more information in the Discord moving forward. I will have more of those YouTube live trading sessions next week as well. Over the weekend, I will have my tax report done finally, and do some other stuff, preparing more things so that my students also will see what I'm doing right now. We'll send them to this video as well, so that they also know I am back. Because as I said in part one, I have some personal challenges at the moment, some depression. So I feel most of the time really tired. No, I don't know, no lust for anything, if that is English at all. I'm German, so I already um, have heard about that stuff before, but I'm not sure if that is really English. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So right now I am to the sell side with 004 lots, which is 4 micro lots. I will have one more, actually 2 more, and I will have 2 buy limits right there, or let's say I will have this at 7856, 785 right there. 6, 9, 10, 6, 9, 10. Okay, let's see if that will be good. And I will stop the live stream in a bit because I really need a break. I hope you like it anyway, and learn something from my mistakes. I would be more than happy to see you in the Discord or on those live streams. So if you're watching the replay, leave me a comment, please, what you think, how you feel, and Yeah, it can be now a little bit slow because this move has already taken place. So this is like you know, managing stuff when the market has already moved. But the only thing that I really don't need at the moment is that this continues higher too much, rather than, you know, when you have a move like this, you know, you see those waves, and this might just go in there a little bit and start to you know, to create a downtrend for a moment, you know, based on the lower time frame. What I mean with this is what I mean with this is like it goes up a little bit into the same area until it drops more. So this is like it has moved up for some time and then starts to build a momentum to the downside until certain areas are reached, and then is doing its thing again, which is like either it's doing a retracement to the upside again, or just, you know, performing a downtrend for some time. So this is where, as a scalper, I can take advantage on lower time frames for the time being. So right now I have a sell a little bit above my buy. I don't know if you can see that, but let's take this buy order, for example, and close that with the latest sell I was doing, 70.84. So this is gone. Account history shows 14 cent in the plus, and I'm doing actually one more, and taking that off from that 70.70. So that's like two more, and let's actually do two more. 6, 9, 10. Okay, it seems that the connection is much better now. I will delete the part 3 because I'm not feeling too much for live trading at the moment while I'm doing some crazy stuff. Okay. So this is what I mean with, the waves are like going up and down. So you see there is a high, there is a lower high, there is approximately the same high. So right now this is called consolidation phase, like when this is going sideways for some time until you have another breakout. That breakout can be to the downside or to the upside. So right now as a scalper, I am actually looking for a breakout, moving the price, um, with smaller portion of my overall position. So for example, I have like 20 micro lots before down to this area, and now I take some of those away and trying to re-add those buys at that area so that I improve price. This is cheaper than those sells, and I'm closing the sells against those buys, and those are going in profit, and then I see what's left. So you can always see what's going on the chart, based on where the lines are, and then you try to, look at it at, like a game where you are playing in a specific area of the chart and take advantage of the move within that area. So right now we are playing in the area between 107, 185 and 106,940 something, So right now, okay, the price is going up and down. So right now, I'm waiting for the price to drop into an area where I can rebuy for a better price. Okay, this is just a waiting game now, and I think I take a break right now and wait and wait for price to drop, and then give you an update at a later stage. Okay, maybe give it like 5 more minutes, because if that drops happen, that will be. Okay, it looks that this will go up again, and I have to take care of things, so I might stop for this. For I will take a break for today, because this was not very good. And I don't like to make more mistakes than necessary. This is some good money that I have spent here, to show you guys how you can do with a small account and still perform really well. But for some reason, today's trading session is not that good. So for now it looks like it wants to break out to the wrong side again. So if this is the only drop we get, like this and this, we will have some good momentum to the upside again. But let's see, because at the moment it's just a retest of the same area. There's nothing you can do when the market is doing a sideways movement other than waiting for your targets to be hit or managing the risk accordingly. But honestly, I have not managed my risk properly on those two live trading sessions with you guys, and I definitely have to work things out to be more comfortable, in front of an audience who I don't see yet. I don't have any too many comments here in the live chat, but eventually in the future it will be much more interactive, or at least see some comments on the replay. So I don't delete things from the channel if something doesn't work as expected, because this is part of the trading, and to show you there is high risk involved if you are doing trading as a newbie, and you're just watching some videos where people are just showing you how good they are, but they are not showing you when something goes against you, and what you can do to manage those drawdowns. Yeah, I have a lot of work to do again, but every every work comes with more experience in terms of, you know, not making the same mistakes too often, you know, or not too often is also wrong. You have to avoid, you know, stuff like that. So if you're brand new to this channel, please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel so I can do more of these live streams, and you get notified when you're subscribed. And also there is a link to my Discord channel if you want to connect with me and see how we can work together if you want to learn. And also in those group coaching calls, my students will see how I manage the drawdown that I have currently and how, you know, you can make a comeback from this stuff. Even though I honestly feel very, very crazy about this, because this is something I don't have to do like this. You know, honestly, this was a week's work for nothing. Well, actually, the whole October I was making a comeback, and literally in just one day, I just, you know, made this mistake again. And I'm kind of clicking the button here. And stop for the day. This is like shit. I'm sorry to say it that way. I actually do one last trade there, and 71. Okay, see you guys on the next live stream. Okay, taking a break for